Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Max watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the animation on the screen, you can release the button, and after a second or two, the watch should turn on. Now, let's go to our iPhone and let's download the application we need to use to pair the devices together. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in GloryFit basically, and tap on Search. And you should see this application on the list, GloryFit with this icon. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. After the application is done installing, tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you may see pop-up about the permission, the Bluetooth permission. Allow it, and then you will see the login screen. And here you can basically enter the email address, tap on Get, you will get the code and you will be able to log in. You can also use the Apple account or Facebook account to log in if you want to. Another way you can log in or not log in, basically, a way to use the app is to skip this step and basically use it as anonymous account. But if you want to keep your data, like training sessions and stuff like that, it's recommended to make a to make an account and log in basically. I'm gonna tap on skip, agree, and then tap on skip again. Here we can set up our profile, height, weight, age, goal of steps. And once you're done, you can see the pop-up about the permission for the location. You can allow it or deny it. Here tap on OK, and you should see the home app. Okay, now tap on the device icon. You can allow the permission for the notifications. This is basically if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. So if you want to use this feature, tap on allow. If you don't care, you can keep it denied by tapping on don't allow. Next, tap on add new device, then select device and wait. The app will start looking for the nearby devices and it should detect your R3 Max, as you can see. Once it does, tap on it to select it. And after a couple of seconds, you may see this pop-up. Tap on pair, and again you can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And here we have it. The R3 Max is on the device page, and if you go to your watch, you will see this icon, which indicates that the watch is connected to a phone. So that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.